How to fix Tinder no matches bug. Hi guys, it's Mikrant. Hope you guys all are fine. So without any delay, let's get started. If you are having issue on Tinder where you are not receiving any matches, it might be due to a bug or other factor affecting your account. Here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially fix the problem. Check your profile, photos and bio. Ensure your photos and bio are completely attractive and follow Tinder's guidelines. Profile verification. If possible, verify your profile to increase trustworthiness. App and device troubleshooting. Update the app. Make sure you have the latest version of Tinder app installed. Update can fix bugs and improve the performance. Clear cache and data. Go to your device setting. Find Tinder in the app list and clear the app's cache and data. Contact Tinder customer support. If none of the above solution work, reach out to Tinder's customer support for help. They can provide insights and assistance if the issue is related to your account or a bug. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.